Does your spinning look like this? If so, you need better rotations. But how exactly do you get better rotations? It might sound simple, but it's actually kind of hard to practice depending on how long you've performed bad rotations and the type of trick performed. First of all, what does it actually mean to have bad rotations versus good rotations? If you don't know, don't worry because it's actually pretty simple. Does the line from the edge of your pen make a perfect circle? If not, then your rotations are bad. But if they do, then they are good. Simple, right?
But doesn't this have to do with the camera angle?
You might say. And yes, it does to some extent, but only a little. If you have good rotations, believe it or not, but your spinning will look good from almost every angle. And if you have bad rotations, your spinning will not. It's as simple as that. Having good rotations is probably one of, if not the most important things when it comes to execution. Now that you know the importance of having good rotations, how do you actually get them? Reasons why it might be hard to fix would be because of previous habits practicing bad rotations, or just a mentality or vision while practicing normally. I was somewhat lucky in the case that early on as a beginner, I was told my rotations were terrible, and I was told the importance of getting good rotations. Ever since then, I had a constant awareness to getting good rotations with all of my spinning. If you practice without this awareness for a long time, then it might be much harder to add later on, but definitely still possible. As you're spinning, whatever you're doing, imagine a perfect circle in the path of your pen. Then focus on getting your pen to follow that path. As you do harder and harder tricks, and if you're not getting used to imagining this circle, it might be very hard to focus on both the circle and landing the trick. But if you start focusing on the circle early on with easy tricks, and progressively learn many more tricks, with this method you'll be able to effortlessly incorporate the circle method to harder and harder tricks. You won't even need to think about it anymore. Just remember, if you don't do this at all, then your rotations will look like this, and you will get to your material cap much earlier. Believe it or not, but having perfect rotations, at least in my experience, allows you to progress your material to a much higher level, practically increasing your material level cap. Theoretically, if you had absolutely perfect rotations for everything you do, then you would have the potential to have the highest level in material. Now go practice your rotations. And feel free to join the most active pen spinning Discord server to help you get along the way. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.